Hello and welcome to the Senate Squirmy Wormy channel. Alright, so for this video, we're gonna do human reviews a can of cat food. So this is Fancy Feast. It's tuna grilled feast in gravy. So how bad could it be, right? So let's open her on up. I'm like not ready for this, by the way. It's just tuna and gravy, right? You know. It smells good. It smells pretty good. To be honest, I've always thought that canned cat food smells like it would taste good. Maybe that's just me. Ugh. I don't know if I want to do this or not. Let's try a big old spoonful of it and chew it up and swallow it, okay? All right. I'm not ready for this. Yeah, I can pace myself. I guess that's it. I was planning on eating the whole can, but it's actually atrocious, like vile shit. It's horrible. As you can see, it almost made me throw up. On first initial taste, it tastes pretty good, but then you start chewing it up and it's got like this nasty, bitter, almost sickening taste. It's fucking disgusting. God, I can't fucking believe I just did that. Alright, this will be the first video to my new channel. There will be more weird shit like this on here. Okay, so if you like shit like this, or just random shit like glass appreciation stuff, I collect hand-blown glass. I don't think I'll be trying any more pet food. I will try some cat treats. How bad could that be, you know? Well, that's what I thought about this. But, yeah, sorry I couldn't eat the whole can. But it was just fucking disgusting. But you saw that big-ass bite I took. So, it's all over my lips, my mouth. My breath smells like it. It's fucking disgusting. Alright, so subscribe. I need 50 subscribers so I can go live. And after that, I'll be doing live streams. I'll possibly be holding StreamYard panels with lives. And yeah. So thanks for watching and tune in for the next one. Drop a like as well, please.